Hello, welcome. What's up, guys? I am Aryovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to leave server Discord very fast. Okay, so start, you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So first what you need to do is enter on your server, which you need to leave, and now how to leave server. You need now click right button on your mouse, and here you have option like, as you can see, mute, hide, and leave server. Okay, now we click leave server. Are you sure you want to leave Binance? Join the server unless you are invited. Okay, leave server. And that's all, we did it. So thanks for watching. You may like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks.